heater wasn't blowing in the truck. So anyways, pop off your panel. It's this bottom one here, or sorry, it's the position fuse 1 up on the top list here, which is down on the bottom left, right here. Ooh, you can see it right there. Whenever I'm looking at the fuse panel, I just match up where the flasher fuse is, so it makes it easier for the orientation, right? Anyways, I checked it. I had 12 volts here. Basically, I just had accessory on the truck, and I need to clean it out. Anyways, had that in position for vent, so it was running. I came out here to pull the clip because I was gonna kind of like run through it before I made the video. Check this out. You can hear it. Hear it running now. It's like a pull throttle. Look at that. So my connection's bad in the motor. I got a new unit, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out, clean her up a little bit. I'm gonna cut power off. I just thought it was funny that that had cut on. So that's the connector. She's on there good. Did that. There's this little boot that slides on that and connects to the blower there. I already pulled that off, so should be able to work around everything else. I might, I don't know about y'all, but I got zip ties, I'm using them. I can't find my side cutters, whatever. $8 millimeter. Been on there for a minute. There we go. Damn, it's actually pretty clean. There's your hamster wheel. Not as much play as I expected. So the new one doesn't have the hamster wheel, so don't break your old one. But we got to pull that out, so I got to get that clip off there. That'd be kind of fun without breaking it. See what happens. So basically, I got the little retain clip off, which was this guy, and all I did was just kind of squeezed it on the outside a little bit, so it kind of dented it, and I flattened it back out once I got it off. That kind of loosens the grip of it. And then I sprayed down here, because mine was pretty rusted. I sprayed it with some PB Blaster, and then I stuck the bottom in my vise, and I took my pry bar and I just kind of slowly massaged around it. Got her off. Alright, I stuck my foot on it, pulled it. So I'm gonna clean that up before I put it on. Might as well. Got a bunch of old dust. I hope brake cleared up this way. Try to use up my last of my old bottles. Here, try to get down. Pretty simple. You see the flat side on the left there. See the flat side machine under that. That's how it's going to line up. Make sure you put it on the correct facing way. Look at that. Slid right on. You can see it drop down. Dip on there. Moves a little bit, so I might have to bend it just to kind of make it catch a little better. So I need to push in on the like the inner tab. So all I'm doing is, see how the tabs are there? I'm just kind of flattening them down so I can go on and grab it a little better. Because, you know, shortest distance is a straight line, right? I'm just bending those all just a hair inward. Don't break it. Bend it on those so it's a little bit flatter. It's too tight. pretty good. I'm just holding by the little guy there. So we're back in business. Match the shape up. Has the little alignment pins, so the bolt holes line up. Sweet. Put your retaining clip back where you found it. Damn, it's a clean looking part on this truck. It's a real clean looking part there. Basically, these screws are just in the plastic housing, so you don't have to overkill them and tighten them down. But they will snug up. That'll push back in. Hell yeah, baby. You hear that? That's so simple. Now I got heat, or I don't have AC, I delete all that shit, but I definitely have heat, and that's all I care about, defrost. Alright, stay warm over the winter. That's how you fix your blower on a 300, baby.